Pani Puri is an absolute favorite across Indian states. But what connects the dots is nothing but the taste and flavor of the pani. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today I'm making my family favorite Kacchi Kairi Ka Pani. Kacchi Kairi for the uninitiated is nothing but raw mango. I'm sure you knew that, but it's my duty to let you know. For this, I'm using, of course, raw mangoes. It's an absolutely young mango, but necessarily we need to remove the seed or the stone. It's a soft seed, but make sure you remove it because it's bitter. The next ingredient that I'm adding in are some mint leaves. Do not add in the stalk because once you make the pani, we don't want the stalk to be floating in the water. The next ingredient is fresh coriander leaves. Not too much, very little, because this flavor is going to be predominantly mint and raw mango. To increase the flavor of mango, I'm just adding in some amchoor powder. The next ingredient in this is green chili. I'm not using too much because I do not want it to be extremely spicy, just kind of mild touch. With this, some cumin seeds untoasted, and finally, black salt. Let's grind this into a fine, smooth paste. The paste is ready. Let's transfer this in a deep bowl. Nice, vibrant and green in color. Well, if you're making this for the occasion, all you need to do now is add in some ice along with salt and water. If you wish to keep this for later use, you will have to deep freeze it at this stage itself without additions of other things. To this, let's add in 2 to 3 cupfuls of cold water. And give this a nice stir. You can choose to have this lighter, and for that you'll have to increase the quantity of water. But I personally like it nice, strong and pungent. Give this a nice mix, and at this stage we'll add in a tablespoonful of khara boondi or salted besan fritters. Give this a nice stir, and I personally enjoy my Pani Puri, of course with the Kacchi Kairi Ka Pani, but to top it up with is a sweet tamarind chutney and some potatoes. So like I said earlier, this one is my favorite, Kacchi Kairi Ka Pani. I'm sure you have your favorites too. Let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food. This is Varun Inamdar signing off.